Hello, calculus fans! So we'd like to talk about what is a tangent line, what is a secant line, what is the difference between the two, and how do we find them? So a tangent line to a curve, we'll just say it's a line that touches the curve once and then goes in the same direction as the curve at that point. This is a very loose definition, but it'll do for now. Now, in order to get a tangent line, we're first going to create what's called a secant line. We'll do that by choosing 2 points, P and Q, that are on the curve, and then we'll find the line that passes between those 2 points. And often what we really want to do is find an equation of that line. So as an example, let's find an equation of the secant line to the parabola y equals x squared at the points where x equals 0.5 and x equals 2. Now we're going to get the y coordinates by plugging in those x values into the equation. So when we plug in 0.5, we're going to get y equals 0.25. When we plug in x equals 2, we'll get 4. So the 2 points that we're interested in have the coordinates 0.5, 0.25, and 2, 4. So those are the x and y values of the 2 points. Here's the picture of what we're dealing with. We've chosen these 2 points that are on the parabola, and we've drawn a line that passes through those 2 points. This line is called a secant line. Now remember, when we go to find an equation of a line, there are 2 things that we need. We need the slope of the line and any point on the line. And just to remind you, if we want to write down an equation of the line with slope m and passing through the point x naught, y naught, that equation is going to be y minus y naught is equal to m times x minus x naught. In pre-calculus, we called this the point-slope form of a line. Now we already have a point. In fact, we have 2 points. So let's go ahead and calculate the slope because that's the other thing that we need. So let's write down the slope formula. That's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if we plug in our 2 points, we get 4 minus 0.25 over 2 minus 0.5, and we end up with 2.5. All right, we can write down an equation of the secant line. We're using this slope, and then we're also using one of the points that we came up with earlier. And so here is an equation of our secant line. And we don't need to simplify anything. This is an equation. It's good enough. We'll just leave it this way. Okay, that's all for now.